With egg prices continuing to grow, we've got you covered with some egg substitutes. First up, we have applesauce. This sweet and moist ingredient is perfect for baking. Use a quarter cup of unsweetened applesauce to replace one egg in recipes like cakes and muffins. It adds moisture and a hint of sweetness. Next, we have flaxseed meal. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for a few minutes, and you've got a great egg substitute. This works wonderfully in pancakes and cookies, providing a nutty flavor. Similar to flax seeds, chia seeds can also be used as an egg replacement. Combine 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit until it forms a gel-like consistency and use it in your recipes. It's perfect for smoothies and baked goods. Tofu is another fantastic option. Blend a quarter cup of silken tofu until smooth to replace 1 egg. It's great for adding creaminess to dishes like brownies and quiches without altering the flavor much. Yogurt is also an excellent substitute. Use a quarter cup of plain yogurt to replace 1 egg. This works best in baked goods and adds a nice, tangy flavor. Don't forget about commercial egg replacers. These products are specifically designed to mimic eggs in recipes. Just follow the instructions on the package for the best results. There you have it, 6 creative ways to replace eggs in your cooking. Whether you're baking a cake or making a savory dish, these substitutes will help you achieve delicious results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the kitchen.